Hey everybody, it's Troy, Roadside RC. It is snowing, it is sleeting, it is doing a thing out here in Middle Tennessee. We have the X-Maxx and we have the Outcast 8S. Who does better in the snow and the ice? You've seen us do a tug of war with it. I'll put that video up here. We're gonna go do some bashing in the snow, sliding, drifting around, all that kind of stuff, and see what happens. Come on, let's go check it out. Look at it go! Oh, he's moving now. All right, you. So it is getting nastier out here. We've had a blast with both the X-Maxx and the Outcast 8S. Whew, which one does it better? So honestly, conditions changed a lot from one to the other, where the Outcast all of a sudden has a lot more snow and stuff on the ground, and it easily pulled my kids a lot easier than the X-Maxx did. Some of that again might be those Proline Badlands. It is not due to a lack of power for sure. X-Maxx slid so much better. Oh my gosh, it was so much more fun to slide the X-Maxx around. But the Outcast really, with the weight and the better tires, had such an advantage over the X-Maxxes when it came to all this stuff. So anyway, I had a blast. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Come over here, check out some of our other videos, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Why haven't you? If you haven't hit that yet. So hey, hit that. We'll see you guys next time. Thank you. Goodbye.